Hello there, Hector here. Today is Tuesday, the 25th of March 2008. Now that the frenzy from the Easter holidays and last week's interest rate announcements are out of the way, well, it's time to go back into the trading routine. It's time to go back into searching for trading opportunities. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you the setups that I'm looking to trade, at least from a long-term perspective. The setups that are looking, fairly good on my charts, and well, I wanted to share them with you. Firstly, the GBP against the Japanese yen, we continue going through quite a heavy downtrend, which has been in place for quite a while, for months actually. I'm looking to see a pullback back to resistance level somewhere around there, the 203, 204 level. Current market price is 20050. Therefore, the GBP against the Japanese yen still needs to go a little bit further up, closer to the moving averages, to the dynamic area of resistance, closer to levels of resistance. Okay, this double bottom that I'm marking right now on my screen, okay, former support once broken, turn into resistance. This would be a fantastic area if we finally do get a pullback back to this area, like I say, 203, 204 00. If we get a pullback back to that area, and I get a retracement, reversal formation around here, perhaps a an M formation, perhaps a retracement breakout formation, etc. I'd like to like I said, I'd like to find that reversal formation around that area in order to search for a short entry of that level. As it stands now, it's a little bit too far away from support, from the resistance levels, from the moving averages, so I'm gonna wait a little bit for a further pullback. Hopefully we'll get it, and from there I'll be searching for new trading shorting opportunities. Same outlook on the GBP against the CHF actually. Also a clear downtrend on the daily time frame, a little bit of a pullback as of lately, also waiting for a pullback back to resistance levels, okay, back to the dynamic area of resistance, which held price there and there, and like I say, waiting for a pullback. From there I will be searching for reversal formations at that level, which is also the 204 205 level. Around that's the the optimum level to get a reversal formation. Okay. Moreover, Australian dollar against the CHF on the weekly time frame. This is a setup that I've had on my watch list for a long time. I think actually I talked about this one on a previous video. Massive head and shoulder formation on the weekly time frame, a breakout of this former level of support, okay, the 0.9300. We've had a number of, price has retested that level around 4 times in the last 2 years. Price has broken below that level. Seems like we are now going back a little bit of to retest that level from below. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit. Right there. So it does seem like we are retesting that 0.93 level, key support level, former support level, now resistance. If that level holds, okay, if that level if price doesn't break above that level, we may find some nice shorting opportunities as price rebounds down in the direction of, the recent down move. Okay, so like I say, key level in the longer time frames, we've gone through the breakout, pullback. If this level 0.93 level holds, I like to search for short trading opportunities in the shorter time frames. Okay, this is one of the setups that I will, one of the currency crosses I'm gonna keep an eye on. Okay. Moreover, Canadian dollar against the CHF. Also, let's zoom out into the weekly time frame. We can see the breakout of the previous level of resistance, support, right there. definitely got broken in momentum. Okay, now going back into the daily time frame, we are also seeing the moving averages pointing down in order, parallel to each other, etc., etc., clearly making lower swing highs, lower swing lows. Well, certainly downtrending. Now, two levels to keep an eye on a possible retracement. Firstly, there's this one, the previous swing low on the daily time frame, which falls in line around the 10500, 10550, somewhere around there. Or if not, if price doesn't quite retrace up there, we have that previous level I was mentioning before on the weekly time frame, around the 10250 level, around there. Okay, so basically what I'm looking to try here is a pullback back up to this level or back up to that level. Both of them would equally fit me. Okay, I'd like to see either this type of formation or this type of formation. Okay, searching for short entries around there and around there. Okay. Moreover, Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen, similar thing, as you can see. Well, we are seeing some heavy downtrends across the board on multiple currency crosses. Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen daily time frame, same thing. Previous level of support broken. Now waiting for a pullback, since I already missed on the first initial breakout, which ran down for about 500 pips. Very nice run down, quite a momentum breakout. Okay, now I'm looking to try the possible retest of that 10200 level. Okay, this previous swing low. Looking to see a pullback back to the moving averages, back to a previous level of resistance. Try to search or try to spot a reversal formation around there, and looking to enter short somewhere at that around there. Okay, if we are indeed to pull back up to that level, you never know. Another one, the euro against the sterling pound, euro against the GBP, also on the daily time frame. Beautiful uptrend, probably the best uptrend, the best looking uptrend of all. Those moving averages beautifully looking up, pointing up parallel to each other in order, etc., etc. We have a bounce of the dynamic area there, another bounce there, and well, now we're looking to see a pullback. We have two different elements of resistance, support, this one and this one. Okay, those previous swing highs, like I say, that one and that one, around the 0.76, between the 0.76, 0.7650, perhaps 0.77 there below, somewhere around that area. Okay, we also have the moving averages. If we project them, we see that the moving averages would catch up with that level should price retrace back down there. Okay, so if price retraces back down to the moving averages, to previous levels of resistance, okay, once broken, now hopefully working as support, I will be searching for a reversal formation around there in order to search for long entries. And that's pretty much it. That's those are the setups that I have on my watch list. They are all looking fairly nice on the longer time. From a longer time perspective, there are obviously a few more setups on the shorter time frames, but those ones, the ones I've just laid out in front of you in my screen, those are the best looking ones in my opinion. I always like to keep an eye on to follow the longer time frames, in order to get a general outlook of how things are panning out. Okay, that's basically it. Those are the setups I'm liking, and I wanted to share them with you guys. All right, I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Bye bye.